Here's something worth sitting with for a second. DJI's last mini drone was already good enough to make bigger, more expensive drones look kind of pointless. So how do you follow that up without just releasing a slightly shinier version of the same thing? That's the exact problem swirling around the DJI Mini 6 Pro right now, and the details leaking out suggest DJI isn't playing it safe this time. In this video, I'm walking you through everything currently being reported about the camera, the battery, the smarter flight tech, and yes, the price and release window everyone keeps asking about. I'll also flag which parts are still speculation versus what's being treated as close to locked in. And stick around for the one issue that could affect whether you can even buy this thing, depending on where you live. Let's start with the sensor, because this is where the more credible leaks are pointing to a real jump instead of a minor bump. Reports suggest DJI is sticking with a 1-inch sensor, but moving to a stacked design, which basically means the chip can read light data far faster than before. Practically speaking, that could mean noticeably less of that warped, jello-like distortion you get when panning fast or flying past moving objects. On resolution, some leaks mention 6K capture, though most people who understand how much heat that generates inside a featherweight body are skeptical you'll get 6K at 60 frames per second running non-stop. A more realistic guess floating around is steady 6K at 30, with 60 available only in short bursts. But the leak actually turning heads among filmmakers is a mechanical variable aperture, reportedly adjusting from around f1.7 to f11 mid-flight, with 0 filters involved. That's a feature usually reserved for drones twice the price and several times the weight. So if it's real, that alone reframes what a mini drone is supposed to be capable of. Cameras aren't the whole story though, because the software running behind the scenes might matter just as much. Leaks point to an updated processing pipeline aimed at pulling more detail out of shadows and highlights, which would mean cleaner footage straight out of the drone, with less time spent fixing noise in post. Exciting, there's also talk of predictive tracking, where the drone estimates where a moving subject is heading instead of just reacting once they've already moved. Picture running a trail and briefly disappearing behind trees. Current systems tend to lose you completely, while a predictive system could hold roughly your position and pick you right back up. Add in rumors of laser-assisted obstacle sensing for better low-light reliability, plus an upgraded O4 Plus or possible early O5 transmission system for steadier signal in crowded areas, and you've got a drone reportedly built to handle the situations that actually cause crashes and dropped footage.
Now, the number everyone actually scrolls for, flight time. Some leaks throw around a genuinely wild 60 minutes, while more grounded estimates land closer to 40, likely thanks to silicon anode battery cells offering better energy density than the current lithium polymer packs. Either number would be a real step up from the current generation. On pricing, current projections have the standard Mini 6 Pro landing around $999, with the Fly More combo expected somewhere between $1299 and $1499, depending on what's bundled in. As for timing, based on DJI's usual release cycle, most estimates point to a window between late 2026 and early 2027, though certification delays have pushed drone launches before, so treat that as an educated guess rather than a locked date. Here's the part that honestly might matter more than any spec on this list. DJI was added to the FCC's covered list in the US in late 2025, and that's created real uncertainty around how, or even if, new DJI products launch there cleanly. It's possible the US release ends up delayed or handled completely differently from the rest of the world, something that hasn't really happened with a mainline DJI drone before. So no matter how impressive this drone turns out to be on paper, access could end up being the real story here, not capability. If even half of this holds up, the Mini 6 Pro isn't just another yearly refresh, it's DJI pushing a mini drone into territory that used to require a much bigger rig. Which leaked feature would actually get you to buy one? Drop it in the comments. Hit like if this breakdown helped, subscribe so you don't miss the official announcement, and I'll see you in the next one.